Make money online with a website that pays you for other people's videos. So you don't need a camera, skills and experience to make money this way. All you have to do is literally sign up and click download. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first thing you want to do is visit a website called plrminds.com. This strategy has nothing to do with sales, nothing to do with affiliate marketing or nothing like that. It's very easy and literally anyone can do it. The second step after logging into PLR Minds is to scroll down and click on the Join Now button. And it will take you to the registration page where you have to register this website absolutely free so that they have gold membership. But you need to scroll down just one click on free, and then your third step is to register on this platform absolutely free by entering your name and last name. Enter your email address and retype the same email address that you can paste, and then click on I'm not a robot and click on send confirmation email. A link will be sent to your email from PLR, and clicking on this link will direct you to this page to activate your account. It will take you to this page where you can complete your registration, so you will need to create a unique username for your account. Then we create a password, and once again we click on I am not a robot. Now you can download hundreds of different digital products from this website, and you can do whatever you want with them because the label and private rights give you permission to resell those products and give you full rights to change them, and it offers them for free or whatever you want to do with them, and that's really good. So you can download a lot of different ebooks and a lot of different products and software from this free website, and plus you get a license to do whatever you want with the products. So if you need some free ebooks, you want to learn something, if you want free software, you want free graphics, it's a very cool things that you can absolutely do for free, but we're here to make money by downloading videos, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So the next step is to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to find this free video section here. I'm going to click where it says access it here. Before we continue, just make sure you've followed all the previous steps. Just follow all the steps till the end of the videos, and in any case you can earn money. As you can see here are all the videos that we can download completely free from this website. When we download it, actually the license we get free to resell them or offer them absolutely free on other websites. And there is one more platform that I want to share. You actually pay to download this video from this website. Let's follow this video's tutorial. For example, I click on this button, we go to the next part where I can read more about the video I'm downloading, but I don't want to read it. I can scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the result of this video. On the word, we click download and get the video immediately, and in fact the compressed file contains the video with download permission. Now I just want to come here, their website, they pay you for videos, and as you can see, these are all real people who earn real money in real time on this website, and they get paid for uploading different videos. So the platform actually pays you for those videos you download. As you can see, there are many people who earn from this website. Here you have to earn a lot of money. This site name is fileupload.com. So I want you to decide this is your next program. As you see, this is a free cold storage for your data. So not only can you store your data for free on this website, but they will also pay you to upload files to their platform, because when someone downloads, some ads will be shown on your files, and now fileuploads.com will only share the other revenue with you. So you and file upload earn money, in case you are wondering. But it doesn't really matter. What you want to do is you want to click here. It says start uploading file now. Then you want to click on this icon to open a folder and then find the video you downloaded earlier from that website. The first website we talked about, click on the video again to you can lift it. Then if you want, you can write a short description and just click start upload video. I am on this website. If I click monetize right here, it will show you something that tells me we can get paid up to $7 for every 1,000 downloads of our file, so that we can upload the video completely free and science. It is a useful video. It is a real tutorial from this website. Many people will be interested in downloading it, and they can download it completely free. What we are supposed to get paid, as you can see, whenever someone downloads from our link, we will get paid, because fileupload.com share and revenue with us. If you go to their homepage, you can see that they accept different payment options, so you can withdraw your money. Payment method such as Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money. I know many people like Bitcoin. This is exactly what all those people have earned time and time again. As you can see, some of them are already earning more than $100 a day with this platform. To maximize results and earn more, my advice is to get your download link for that video and go to different platforms and share it with different people so they can download it too. Even share it with your friends and family and tell them that they can download it completely free and it will be useful for you. Then you can share it in different Facebook groups, and you can share it on Twitter, share on Instagram, and maybe YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.